Greetings! Just a quick little video to say that my newest Patreon video is up. Last month we did the channeled tubular herringbone, and now we're gonna take it up a notch and do the twisted version of the channeled tubular herringbone, which is very shiny and very fun. And it leads to a lot of different color combinations and materials, and I am just very fascinated with how shiny this is. Now, if you haven't done the channel tutorial, you're going to want to go to last month's tutorial and learn the techniques from there so that you can advance on. And it's also helpful if you know twisted tubular herringbone as well. You can find this tutorial in the link down below. It's patreon.com/odins.musings, and join me there for an extra tutorial. I just can't stop doing this. It's very shiny and twisty. And also, join us on our Discord group. This is for everyone to join. It's a nice little chat room that we all talk about beading and other crafts and general daily life things. It's just kind of a nice way to interact with each other, because I'm phasing out of the Facebook group. There's been a problem with a lot of notifications and nobody really getting the chance to engage. So the Discord channel is really great for everybody to talk with each other. So, there's also a link in the description for that as well. That is all from now. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.